Good morning, students. I welcome you all in English class. Student, today we are going to start a new lesson. Unit 7, Night Witches. This story is written by Megan Garbo. Very clearly you can see that face picture on the screen. She is Megan Garbo. This story, Night Witches, is based on World War II. World War, you must have heard. First World War, Second World War. This story is based on Second World War, which took from 1939 to 1945. In that war, so many countries took part, so many countries were involved. The two countries who were on the opposite sides were Soviet Union and Germany. So student, let us see what Megan Garber has given us to learn in this story. Every story has something important to learn for us. We are learning, we are getting inspiration, and we get encouragement from several stories. So, this is also one of the stories that will motivate you, encourage you, and inspire you. Let us see the life story of Megan Garber. Before we read what she has given to us to learn, what is in her story, specific characters of this story, we should really know about the writer Megan Garber. Megan Garber is a staff writer at The Atlantic. The Atlantic is an American magazine. The Atlantic is an American magazine focusing on technology, culture, and the intersection between the two. She has written about everything from the history of applause, of the future of space travel for the Atlantic.com and the magazine. She is very famous, my dear. She is very famous. When you will go in the world of that magazine, she is the recipient of a Mirror Award of Excellence. She had got Mirror Award of Excellence in Media Reporting. Garber holds a Master's in Journalism from Columbia, where she was later an adjunct professor. Of course, she has a great career. She has very appreciable career. So let us now proceed towards the story. The story she has written, The Night Witches. As already I told you, this story is based on World War II, and you have here especially some of the special really clips of that war, which can motivate, which can encourage, because in this description she has explained about three great female pilot fighter from Soviet Union side who fought against German soldiers. This is what very special about this story, and in this story certainly you will learn about that. As the story is so long, so cannot be concluded in just one video session. So you will enjoy it in different parts, and in first part that I am going to tell you is about here the beginning state, in what way these fighters, these female fighters fought. They were from Soviet Union side and they fought against Nazi. You know very well, Nazi were the party led by Hitler in Germany. Nazi was the party which was founded and led by Hitler, the very famous name, the dictator, very famous dictator of the world, that you have heard, Hitler. And as I told you, this is the story of World War II. So we shall learn about the three women fighters, in what circumstances they fought, with what courage they fought, and in what kind of awards they were honored. So this is what here the story about much earlier that took place in 1939 to 1945. At that time, the aircraft you can see in the picture was just used by Soviet Union, by these fighters, by these women, which was made mainly of plywood and canvas. You think of that one, which here flew in the sky. This here aircraft you have here, its name is here Polikarpov Po-2. Polikarpov Po-2, the name of this aircraft on the screen you can see. I have already just displayed this, and this is in your chapter as well. So this type of aircrafts were used by Soviet Union, by these women female fighters, to face against the German soldiers, to tackle them, to combat them. And these aircrafts carried tons of bombs, and at the same time these aircrafts were only used here in crop dusting activity also in the country. Crop dusting, that means these aircrafts were used to really spray the anticides only, which were just here to spray on the crops only, to really give good crops in the fields. And at the same time, these aircrafts were used to carry bombs during the war, and these great warriors, female warriors, used them against them, and they no doubt gained a great name, a great fame, and they showed their bravery and excellence in the war. Just flying this one, it was no doubt very thin, very weak and thin, this aircraft, as it was made by just plywood and canvas. But still, at the same time, it could only fly at a very low height, and its speed was also not much. But it proved to be a great help. It was a great help for these fighters, and they took a great help. They flew it, they no doubt downed several Nazi airplanes, and they succeeded in the war. So we shall see only how these here three women, that was first was here Tamara Pamiatnik. Tamara Pamiatnik, I will no doubt show you here that here figure, you can see here picture of that one, that lady you can see here, Tamara Pamiatnik. So she was one of also the brave women. So first let us see, as I told you about the war. The content of this here first page is that Night Witches is the description of World War II from 1939 to 1945, in which so many countries involved in this war. The Soviet Union and Germany were on opposite side. They were the main opponents in this war. In this war, the Soviet Union had so many brave women to fly aircrafts to fight with German soldiers. These brave women flew their planes, Polikarpov Po-2, which were built mainly of plywood and canvas. As I already told you, it was really thin, and it flew at a low height, made little noise, and you can see only how really dangerous it was to fly it in that war, because it was so weak. but these great women proved great warriors, flying this, no doubt dropping the bombs, and successfully just led the war. When it was the spring of 1943, two pilots members of the Soviet Air Force were flying their planes Polikarpov-2 over a Soviet railway junction. When they were flying that aircrafts over that railway junction, they saw with two enemy aircraft and with enemy fire. This story is about the three brave women, as I told you, fighters, women fighters of Soviet Union and their incredible deeds during the war. So, I will tell you, this here Pamara Pamiatnik was brave lady. In the 588th was the most highly decorated female unit in that force in which she belonged, flying 30,000 missions. Tamara Pamiatnik flew 30,000 missions over the course of 4 years and dropping in total 23,000 tons of bombs. She dropped total 23,000 tons of bombs on invading German armies. And so, these three ladies, the next one that is here, I will no doubt introduce you in the next part. They got so great name, so brave name, and that deeds will encourage you, will inspire you, will make you thrilled only to know about their deeds. So no doubt, student, we shall come to know in the next part, and this story will no doubt draw your attention for the incredible really war, incredible deeds, and just we shall know more in the next video session. So till then, this much. Thank you, students. Thank you very much. Please, you students, you will note down all the new words on page 68 in your copy, in your notebook, and you will learn them, all highlighted words that is explained. They are very important, very interesting words, very useful words. So you will write them, you will learn them. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.